For over 5 decades, Voyager 1 has been pushing the boundaries of human knowledge, embarking on a journey across the cosmos that has forever changed the way we understand the universe. As the farthest human-made object from Earth, it has traveled through space, breaking barriers and revealing deep cosmic secrets. However, something truly extraordinary has just occurred, something so mind-boggling that it has left scientists and engineers at NASA stunned. Voyager 1 has detected a phenomenon that defies all our existing scientific explanations. This discovery is so groundbreaking that it forces us to rethink everything we thought we knew about the very nature of interstellar space. What did Voyager 1 find? And what does this revelation mean for the future of space exploration? This unexpected transmission from Voyager 1 came from a staggering 15 billion miles away. Initially, as the spacecraft's power supplies were expected to dwindle, experts believed its communication would eventually fade out. But in an unbelievable turn of events, NASA engineers re-established contact with Voyager 1, and the data it sent back was far beyond anyone's wildest expectations. For nearly half a century, Voyager 1 has been sending back invaluable data about the heliosphere, the protective bubble created by the solar wind that shields our solar system. In 2012, the spacecraft crossed the heliopause, officially entering interstellar space. Voyager 1 became the first human-made object to travel beyond the Sun's influence, beyond the familiar boundaries of the solar system. Since that momentous milestone, it has been gathering critical information about cosmic radiation, magnetic fields, and the vast interstellar plasma surrounding our solar system. But the latest transmission from Voyager 1 reveals something deeply troubling, an anomaly in the data that NASA can't explain. The spacecraft recorded a sudden and dramatic increase in cosmic radiation levels that far exceed anything scientists have recorded before, even beyond the heliopause. This radiation surge doesn't match any known pattern, and it hints at the possibility that something profoundly strange is occurring beyond the protected confines of our solar system. Until now, scientists believed the interstellar medium, the vast space between stars, was a calm, mostly predictable expanse of weak magnetic fields and scattered radiation. Voyager 1's data suggests otherwise. The radiation spike, combined with other unexpected findings, implies that the area it has entered is far more complex, more active, and more unpredictable than anyone could have imagined. NASA has labeled this radiation anomaly anomalous because it doesn't fit into any established scientific model. Is Voyager 1 detecting an entirely new phenomenon within interstellar space? Or is it picking up signals from something we've never encountered before? Perhaps one of the most astonishing discoveries in Voyager 1's latest data is a distortion in the magnetic field around the spacecraft. According to existing models, the magnetic fields beyond the heliopause should be fairly uniform and predictable. Yet, Voyager 1 has detected strange, erratic shifts in the strength and direction of these magnetic fields. It's as if the spacecraft is encountering some massive, invisible object that is disrupting the natural flow of interstellar space. This magnetic anomaly has scientists scratching their heads. If interstellar space is supposed to be a uniform expanse, then these fluctuations in the magnetic field shouldn't exist. Some researchers are speculating that Voyager the 1st of May have encountered a previously unknown boundary, something akin to an interstellar shock wave marking the edge of the solar system's influence. But there's another, more radical theory: could Voyager 1 be picking up the signature of something entirely new? Something we haven't even begun to consider, like the gravitational pull of a rogue planet, a primordial black hole, or even an advanced megastructure moving silently through the vastness of space. Voyager 1's sensors can't take pictures anymore, but it can still measure plasma waves, magnetic fields, and cosmic radiation. And that's where the real mystery lies. its data could be providing indirect evidence of something massive and unseen, moving through interstellar space in ways we've never imagined. And then there's the unexpected spike in cosmic rays. These are high-energy particles traveling through space at nearly the speed of light, originating from sources like supernovae, black holes, and other extreme cosmic phenomena. Normally, as a spacecraft ventures deeper into interstellar space, the density of cosmic rays gradually increases. But what Voyager 1 has recorded is something far more dramatic. The concentration of cosmic rays has surged in ways that scientists can't explain, suggesting that Voyager 1 has entered a region of space where the very fabric of the cosmos is charged with energy from an unknown source. This discovery is deeply concerning for NASA and for any future space missions. If certain regions of interstellar space contain concentrations of cosmic rays much higher than expected, it could pose a serious threat to any deep space missions, including potential crewed missions to other star systems. The radiation levels in these areas would require spacecraft to develop advanced shielding technologies to protect astronauts from the deadly effects of cosmic radiation. But the mystery doesn't end there. Voyager 1 has also detected fluctuations in the frequency of these cosmic rays, hinting that they might not be random noise, as was once thought. This has prompted scientists to consider the possibility that these fluctuations could be caused by something even more extraordinary, an astrophysical event that has yet to be discovered, like the lingering effects of an ancient supernova. Or, perhaps even more radically, could these cosmic rays be the remnants of something artificial, like an interstellar communication signal or a distant beacon? NASA engineers are now working around the clock to analyze these strange readings, racing against time as Voyager 1's power supply continues to dwindle. While the spacecraft was designed to last for several decades, its instruments are beginning to fade, and its ability to communicate with Earth will soon be lost. But for now, each new transmission adds another puzzle piece to this cosmic mystery. What's clear is that Voyager 1 has ventured into a region of space unlike anything humanity has encountered before. As Voyager 1 continues its impossible journey deeper into the void, scientists are now asking themselves, how much longer will it survive? Engineers have already begun shutting down non-essential systems to conserve power, hoping to keep the spacecraft operational at least until 2030. But with every passing year, the inevitable end of this mission draws closer. Despite running on technology from the 1970s, Voyager 1 has far exceeded all expectations, continuing to send back data that challenges our understanding of the cosmos. But there's one more theory that can't be ignored: what if Voyager 1 isn't alone out there? Some scientists speculate that, if extraterrestrial civilizations exist in the galaxy, a spacecraft like Voyager 1 could one day be discovered by intelligent beings from another star system. After all, Voyager 1 carries with it a golden record, a time capsule containing the sounds, images, and information about humanity, a message to whoever might find it in the distant future. Before we can dream about the possibility of alien discovery, however, we need to first understand what Voyager 1 has just uncovered. The spacecraft's latest discoveries suggest that interstellar space is far more mysterious and complex than we ever realized. The unexpected surge in cosmic radiation, the distortion of magnetic fields, and the unsettling possibility of an unknown gravitational force all point to something we've never encountered before. NASA is now in a race against time to analyze the data before Voyager 1's instruments go dark. What they uncover in the coming months could change everything, not just our understanding of interstellar space, but the very nature of the universe itself. Has Voyager 1 crossed into uncharted territory? Until now, scientists believed that once the spacecraft passed the heliopause, it would enter a stable, relatively predictable region of interstellar space. But the data coming from Voyager 1 suggests something entirely different. It appears to have entered a highly active zone, one where cosmic radiation fluctuates wildly, magnetic fields shift unpredictably, and plasma behaves in ways that contradict current scientific models. Some researchers now speculate that Voyager the 1st of May have crossed into a boundary within interstellar space, something akin to a shock wave caused by the interaction of our Sun's heliosphere with the interstellar winds of another star. If true, Voyager 1 would be one of the first objects to experience the influence of another star system, even though it remains light years away from any known planets or stellar bodies. Others suggest that Voyager 1 has entered a gravitational anomaly, an area where space-time itself is being warped by an unseen force. Could a massive object, like a rogue planet or a hidden black hole, be distorting the fabric of space? Or is something even stranger at work, an unknown cosmic structure that has yet to be detected by Earth-based telescopes? But the most unsettling part of this discovery might be the subtle deviations in Voyager 1's trajectory. The spacecraft has been following a carefully calculated path through space, one that scientists have predicted with great accuracy. But the latest data shows small but noticeable changes in its course. These tiny deviations could be the result of an unseen force, pulling Voyager 1 off track. Could it be the gravitational influence of a massive object lurking just beyond our view? One particularly radical theory even suggests that Voyager the 1st of May have entered a region of space where the fundamental laws of physics, gravity, magnetism, and even time itself, behave in ways we can't explain. If this is true, Voyager 1 is not just crossing the boundaries of interstellar space, it is venturing into an entirely unknown realm of physics, a place that challenges everything we know about the universe. Whatever the cause, one thing is certain, Voyager 1 is now in truly uncharted territory. And what it finds next could fundamentally alter our understanding of space.